Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Nested loops in Java are tricky to trace. We will break down this code segment to find the output in 60 seconds. The outer loop starts at 1 and runs up to 6. This means the entire inner process repeats 6 times, creating 6 separate lines of output for our final answer here. Inside, the inner loop starts at the current outer value and checks every number up to 6. If the number is even, it prints it out followed by a single space. When outer is 1 or 2, we get 2, 4, 6. For 3 and 4, we get 4, 6. Finally, 5 and 6 print 6. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps for option C.